Alright, the TV repair shop I was just at. There's 84 totes and boxes like this full of material. Most of it, however, is low grade power boards and such. These here would be I would probably grade those at low grade or mid grade low. I'll take those off, take the big aluminum heat sinks off, and put those in the box. Out of 6 boxes of this material, these boxes here, this is the high grade stuff I was able to get. I don't know a weight on it, but you can see, got the pins, the gold cornered chips, as people like to say, which most of these boards have the gold cornered chips, or north south, whatever you want to call them. There's a good one there. Not much on the backs, most of them, but some of them are double planed. A lot of these boards are, all of these boards are out of televisions, whether they're LCDs, LEDs, or what, but get a lot of these. And these and stuff with the big giant aluminum heat sinks, and this is all stuff I will not ship because it's low grade. The best part about these is the copper and the connectors. But there, like this board here, there's two little bitty circuit chips, a few MMLCs, and some resistors, and the aluminum can capacitors. It's just not a lot. There's virtually scrap value there. So all these I'll buy from him as low grade, nickel a pound, because here where I'm at, low grade goes as scrap, which scrap right now is 3 cents a pound. But these, I'll get the copper and what chips they are, and the MMLCs and stuff like that. So I figure it's about, and the aluminum, I figure it's about nickel a pound worth of value by the time you subtract my time and labor and fuel. But like I said, 84 boxes or totes. The totes are bigger than these boxes. You've seen the totes in my last video, which I'll upload both of these videos today, and if you're seeing this, you've already had a chance to watch the first one. And I'll do a third one once I get all the material here, which should be later today, early tomorrow. I'm hoping later today, and yeah, you'll hear the fire trucks, and my dogs will howl. They hate the fire trucks. All right, y'all have a good one.